Well, no skincare series is actually complete without talking about bridal skincare. So brides to be are very excited about their wedding day. And why shouldn't they be? They are very excited about their outfit, the accessories that they are going to wear, and they want to look their best on this D-Day. So I utilize this opportunity to educate them and help them identify their skin type and help them evaluate the right skincare products and the right skincare needs and concerns for them. So, as a bride to be, your first aim should be to consult your dermatologist, and this should be done 3 to 6 months prior to your wedding day. It is a good idea to get your problems rectified, either any acne, blemishes, pigmentation, dullness of face, open pores. All these needs to be corrected with the right skincare as well as the right procedures. If you are one of those fortunate lot who has a blessed skin, then also visit your dermatologist, because your skincare expert is going to help you find out the right skincare regime consisting of your cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen as per your skin type, and also a night or a day cream if it is required. All brides to be definitely goes for a pre-bridal skin package. What I recommend my brides to be is to go for many facials instead of salon based facials, especially if you are one of those who has very sensitive skin type or who has never underwent a facial before, because there are high chances of you developing sensitivity, irritation or allergy to a cosmetic product if these are salon based facials. At Influennz, we have a variety of medifacials: exfoliating medifacials for oily skin type, hydrating facials for dry skin type, and photofacial for sensitive or dry sun damaged skin. It's a good idea to take care of your overall habits as well. Eat healthy, sleep on time, exercise regularly, drink plenty of water, and even incorporate coconut water as part of your diet, because not only is it a good source of hydration but also a good source of electrolyte. And finally, prepare a bridal skincare emergency kit with all the makeup trials, the stress of looking the best on a wedding day. You might develop a zit or you might develop a rash on your face. So your skincare emergency kit should include a topical steroid, either betamethasone or fluticasone, as well as anti-allergic such as Allegra, anti-inflammatory such as Vicilon, and even an acne spot corrector. Please ask your dermatologist to prepare an emergency kit as per your skin type. So much for today, guys. Till the time, be beautiful, be influential.